You're watching 8 News Now at 5 with Paula Francis and Dave Courvoisier. The news of Southern Nevada is now.
The first combat-configured F-35 flew to Nellis Air Force Base this morning, a big step forward for the Joint Strike Fighter program. The fighter will be used to develop training procedures for future F-35 pilots. Now, between the Air Force, the Marine Corps, the Navy, the U.S. military will eventually purchase nearly 2,500 of these jets. Patrick Walker has more on how Nellis fits into the future of the next-gen fighter. Patrick?
Well, I'll tell you, Dave, seeing that fighter taxiing on up to us on the flight line was really an impressive sight. 4 of those F-35s will be delivered this year to the 57th Wing. Eventually, they'll get up to 24. Air Force officials say it is a big step forward in what many argue has been a long and costly process.
And that's what's going on here at Nellis, is this is a glimpse into the future.
Nellis Air Force Base leaders celebrating the arrival of this F-35, the military's next-generation fighter jet.
It has certainly been a long journey to get here.
Nearly 8 years after the F-35's first flight, the first combat-configured jet is now stationed at the base. Captain Brent Golden will use this jet to develop the weapon system training regimen for future Air Force F-35 pilots.
And I think, like we were talking about earlier, with it integrating with the weapons school, that's going to be the building block for integrating it with the rest of the combat Air Force.
And to put iron on the ramp, it's exciting. And now we're going to press on with the mission.
The first class of pilots to learn the jet's combat weapons systems will come through in 2018. The Joint Strike Fighter program is the most expensive weapons program in history, designed to integrate data and seamlessly operate as one with other Air Force aircraft. Total program estimates based on the latest production cost from manufacturer Lockheed Martin are $1.1 trillion over 55 years. The current cost of the Air Force's version, the F-35A, is $96 million per jet, and that's not counting the engine. That cost isn't immediately available. Delays from grounding the plane in the past over mechanical issues have also fueled criticism.
In fact, I flew here at Nellis on Monday, an F-35 sortie.
Major General Jay Silveria, himself an F-35 pilot, has full confidence in the jet and its future role in the Air Force.
We need this aircraft to bring us to take on contested environments. A lot of these aircraft that you see around here are certainly aging, and so we also need this aircraft as part of our aging fleet.
Well, we have talked about before in the past Nellis having a couple of F-35s here. They received 4 last year, but those are different. They're configured rather for flight testing purposes, not for the training that this will be assigned. And the pilot assigned to this first jet says he will take about a year of flying here to develop the combat weapons training curriculum for future pilots. A lot of work ahead, Paula.
Thanks, Patrick.